Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. So the next item on the menu, we have two things. So we have the OP and then we have the run playbook. Before we get to the replay, I want us to run the playbook first before we get back to the replay. So the open is simple. I think we've been using open for a very long time and it's very simple. It opens the interface into, let's say, something like a text or any editor. So as you can see, this is our interface, but now we have it in the text, but I don't need it. So we can just quit. So the next thing that you'll be focusing on primarily is the run playbook, right? So I'm going to run a playbook, and whenever you run a playbook, it stores, let's say, something like a replay file. So you can actually replay the playbook that you executed. So I'm going to run a playbook against iOS XR. Let me see if the name is right. iOS XR followed by the event tree, which is host. So it's going to run the playbook in an interactive way. Okay, so it seems I made a mistake. So let me run it again. Run iOS.xr.yaml followed by the inventory. So the inventory I have host. I'm going to run it again. And as you can see, it's going to run the playbook in an interactive manner. And as you can see it from here, it's running. So as you can see, if there are changes, it will reflect in the counters. So we have 2 tasks, 3 and 4, and then we are complete. So we can actually drill through the playbook that we just ran. So I can just click on 0, and then we have everything that we asked for. We can see the duration that it took. So we can use 0 to see the first play, or let's say the first task. And it actually ran a command. What command did it run? Can we see that from here? Okay, so it actually ran a show version command, and as you can see it from here. So we see the show version output from the sandbox. So we can go to the next one, which is to gather facts from the device. And as you can see, these are the facts we gathered from the device. You can see it over here. And then the next one is the same show version. So let's check on 2. So it's basically the same thing. So I think the playbook doesn't do much. So as you can see, show version output. Show version. The next one is containing so there's nothing much about the playbook, nothing special. But then as you can see, we have the task already here. Then you can just go through, do your troubleshooting and everything that you need to do with this. So this is fairly something very simple, how to run playbooks in Ansible Navigator and drill through the playbooks to see what actually went on. So thank you for watching this video and see you in my next video.